Hello folks, it's me Noshekjan. So in this video we're going to try a new trick, a new tutorial. So this video is going to be interesting because in this video we're going to try how to create text path generator. Means you can create a specific path where your text animation should be drawn. So let's create a project. So simply just press the plus icon in your Sketchware and name it like text path and then create this application. First, in this application you have to put one linear model, you can see. Then you have to simply go to on create. Before going there, make sure your app compact is turned on. Then simply go to on create and simply drag add source directly block to the field and then simply copy a code. After copying a code, you can see you can easily set the text you would like to show. Like I'm writing that no section is my channel name. You can set the repeat style or repeat count. You can set the linear one, the linear you are using in your workspace. Then simply just save it. If you are changing the string one, then you can change this name. Now save it here. Now simply you have to add one library. Here in the text path view you can see this would be look like kind of this thing. So now let's copy this library from this provided link or thing. Now simply paste it on your Sketchware project. For adding this library you have to go to the local library, select this drop dx and paste it. Now turn this on and let's see if it works or not. If it was somehow not working, so you make sure using D8 also. So library is added or also enabled, I guess. So you make sure you are enabling this library. Is the text path view added. Now let's build this project. So you can see dx is running, means Java compiled is completely done. Now sign in this APK and install this APK. Let's open it. So you can see the text path animation is working successfully. You can easily use it on your purpose, like on your opening screen. For making it more good, we can change some settings. So let's go to the project. Now I'm gonna change this gravity of the linear to central horizontal and center vertical, and I'm going to remove the header or the top status bar. Now I'm gonna hidden this keyboard. Now it's working great. You can change one more thing, you can change the color if you like. So now let's run it again. Now you can or you will be seeing that Java is compiling and there will be no errors. You can see the DX is running. So for that reason you must use the correct local library. The text path application is ready for use. Now open it. So you can see it's looking really nice and awesome. That's it for the tutorial video. I think you guys like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe NoshiXGen. You will be getting more videos soon on Zen Messenger and then Tambian project also. So make sure stay tuned. Press the bell icon, subscribe my channel, share with other developers. Share and subscribe, support my channel, and you can also follow me on my Instagram. visit Instagram and my social media networks. Thanks for watching.